That target, they want that target all the way back on the AR.
So you can help people. Most of them, they're called like this little brush popper. So like the idea is you're walking through the bushes and you need something quick. Instead of like a deer rifle where you gotta get it up, look through the scope.
Put one in there.
Not the little one.
Go ahead and move that over. Yes, sir.
Pull this hammer.
Yeah, pull the hammer and it's ready to shoot. No, it doesn't. It's surprising.
I went through the whole fucking exit.
Yeah, I was like, it got smoky in here, bro.
I like it.
Are there any more bullets coming?
Yeah. I got a few left in this one.
Okay.
And this one's fully stocked.
Okay.
It's surprisingly
You like it?
I like that.
Have you shot it without the? It's not that bad.
Really?
It's like it's a little bit tougher than that, stronger than that one, but it's kind of has a cushion to it a little bit. I like it. I like the way it feels, and it's almost like that. You know, it's got a little bit of softness to it. It's not like a handgun.
Right.
Which one?
The AR.
The black one?
Fun.
That's fun, man.
I like
Huh?
That was fun.
I like that one. That one's 1,700. Yeah.
You can
Hey.
build one for less.
You said you can't buy those anymore, though.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You can build one though.
Really?
Yeah.
You can show me how to build one?
I don't know how, but we can learn together.
Yeah, let's find out.
Yeah.
I'd love that. I'd love that fucking gun, man.
Yeah. So it wouldn't look exactly like that. It would look something similar to like what you saw with that folding stock.
But it's still considered a handgun. Yeah. Yeah, you do. And then let it go.
Hard. Okay. So. Now hold it tight to your shoulder.
Show her where to hold it on her shoulder.
Right there. Yep. One sec. Alright. That was it? Okay, so go ahead and put it on safe. Put it on safe and then drop the clip.